heard a hint of the Vulcan howl there, the unique sound made by the 4 Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus 202 engines. About 16,500 pounds of static thrust from each of them, 65,000 pounds in total. Of course, in order to keep the aircraft in front of us and not to go too far away, don't use the power for too long, and also we're trying very hard to conserve the life of these engines. At the moment she's probably fit to fly until the end of 2015. We're trying to conserve engine cycles and she may be able to fly longer. And as you see, she can also tiptoe up on you, making very little noise. The Royal Air Force got its first Vulcan in 1956, designed, as I suggested, to carry the British nuclear deterrent during the... Bomb doors open. And if you caught a glimpse inside the bomb bay there, that was the weapons bay that carried 21 1,000-pound bombs all the way to the Falkland Islands in 1982 and dropped a stick of them across the Port Stanley runway, hitting it with 2. I'll be able to see into the bomb bay, which you'll see closing as she comes back across the displayed datum. Bomb bay closing. And that trip to the Falkland Islands was at the time the longest bombing raid in history, 7,760 miles round trip.